Hi everybody, it's Dan and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be tackling a quick, easy marshmallow buttercream frosting. It's going to be so delicious. It's going to have that nice fluffy marshmallow texture that we all know and love, and it's going to have a nice subtle sweetness, and it's going to be really quick, really simple, and really easy. I'll be sure to throw a link to the recipe down below in the description, and stay tuned at the end of the video for more information about the KitchenAid stand mixer giveaway. Now let's go ahead and get started on this marshmallow buttercream frosting. So good. So our first step is to beat together our butter, our shortening, and our marshmallow fluff. So in the bowl of our stand mixer, we're going to go ahead and add in our butter, our shortening, and our marshmallow fluff. And then we're going to beat that on a high speed until all these ingredients are fully combined and they're light and fluffy. Now let's go ahead and add in our vanilla extract and let that beat in for a good couple of seconds. And if you prefer to opt out for the shortening, you can always go ahead and add in one additional stick of butter. Or if you prefer a more whiter, more stiffer, firmer buttercream, you can always swap out the butter for one additional cup of shortening. You know, it's kind of like a swap, win-win sort of thing, all depending on your personal preference and your personal taste. So just like all the other buttercream frostings we've done here on the channel, now go ahead and switch your speed setting to the lowest possible speed. Usually it's going to be a 2 or 1 or just a stir. Then we're going to go ahead and start incorporating our sifted powdered sugar. And I like to slowly and gradually add this in about a half a cup or a quarter cup at a time. So add in a half a cup, let that stir in a little bit, add in another half cup, let it stir in, and a half cup, let it stir, a half cup, let it stir. And we want to keep following that motion until we've incorporated all of our sifted powdered sugar into our mixing bowl. Now, if you are in a hurry and you feel like you maybe shouldn't need to sift your powdered sugar, definitely sift your powdered sugar, because as you can see, as this mixer starts to really mix in that powdered sugar, it's starting to get, you know, kind of a little dry, which don't worry, don't sound the alarms. We're going to add in some heavy cream to really fluff up that nice, beautiful, creamy, smooth texture. But this is really why I like to sift the powdered sugar, because sifting it really helps that powdered sugar mix into the butter and the shortening nice and smooth. Now that we have all of our powdered sugar worked into our butter and our shortening and our marshmallow fluff, you're already noticing, I'm 100% sure. If not, let me know in the comments below. But I'm pretty sure you already have a crumbly, dry, almost sad marshmallow buttercream frosting. So let's go ahead and start adding in our heavy cream. Now I like to do this about a tablespoon at a time. And I do this to make sure I'm not drowning my buttercream to the point where it's just a just a sad, soupy mess. It's not appetizing at all. Soupy buttercream doesn't do anybody good. So stick to a tablespoon, maybe even half a tablespoon at a time. This way you can add it in one at a time as you're mixing up your buttercream and whipping it on a nice medium speed. So we'll add in a tablespoon of heavy cream, let that whip up, and if you feel like you need a little more heavy cream, add in another tablespoon. Let that whip up until you have a nice, smooth, fluffy buttercream frosting. Also worth mentioning, if you don't like heavy cream, you can always swap out for your preferred dairy. So you can use heavy cream, you can use whole milk, you can use buttermilk, whichever kind of milk you like, or heavy creamer flavored, you know, Girl Scout flavored creamer. I don't think I have it anymore, but maybe down the road we can try that. Yeah, we'll do that. Let's do that. I think it's almost Girl Scout cookie time. Can't wait. Anyway, marshmallow buttercream frosting. After done whipping, you will have your perfectly smooth, perfectly velvety, textured, yummy, not so sweet, but nice and marshmallowy buttercream frosting. It's gonna go great for hot chocolate cookies or any of your s'mores desserts, or if you're just a huge fan of marshmallows like I am, it'll go great on some ice cream. I know, it's gonna be delicious. You're welcome. Thank you guys for stopping by. I had so much fun making this quick, easy, super simple marshmallow buttercream frosting. It's gonna be coming up a lot next year in 2020. I have a lot more s'mores recipes. So if you're excited for s'mores recipes, or if you just like super quick, super easy, super simple, yummy kitchen recipes, definitely give this video a thumbs up. Helps me out, lets me know I'm baking up tasty treats that you guys all like, you want to see more of, and that you're going to be trying yourselves. And if you want even more tasty recipes, definitely be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video, so you don't miss out on any yummy bakes I have coming up here in the kitchen. Plus, I still have 20 KitchenAid stand mixers to give away, so if you haven't already, be sure to enter down below. Once you enter the giveaway, you'll have 20 chances to win and lots of ways to enter. Lastly, don't forget, if you make your own marshmallow buttercream frosting and use it in the kitchen, definitely give a tag on Instagram. Let me see what you're baking up in your kitchen. Alrighty, well, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna get some coffee because it is 10 a.m. and I have yet to have a cup. So I need that. I'm gonna hang out with Gwenny, enjoy the day. Hope you all get to do the same. I hope you're all getting ready for the holiday season. And I will see you all, as always, in the next video. I don't know what I'm doing with these hands. But I will see you all, as always, in the next video very, very soon. Bye.